In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shapes in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, learning how to manipulate shapes in Canva can really elevate your design projects. So let's dive right in and explore the essentials of creating custom shapes in this powerful design tool. To kick things off, you'll want to open Canva and start a new design project or jump into an existing one. Once you're inside the Canva editor, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find various tool options. Focus your attention on the Elements tab. It's here that all the magic begins. Click on Elements and you'll open a treasure trove of graphics, lines and shapes that form the backbone of Canva's versatile design capabilities. Next, in the search bar under the Elements section, type the word shape. This action will populate a wide assortment of available shapes, from basic geometric figures to more complex designs. If you're like me and a bit spoiled for choice with all these fabulous options, look for the See All button. Clicking this will expand the window, revealing a plethora of shape options to browse through leisurely until something catches your eye. Now that you've picked your desired shape, you simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. This tactile process makes customization a breeze, aligning effortlessly with your vision. Once the shape is on your working area, you'll notice adjustment handles at the corners and edges. These are your shortcut to resizing your shape. Click and drag any of these to resize while maintaining its proportions. For those of you looking to create a truly unique look, holding down the Shift key while dragging allows for freehand resizing and dynamic distortions. With your shape at an ideal size, it's time to get creative with colors, another aspect that boosts your design's appeal. To change the color, locate the color palette icon situated near the top of your Canva screen after selecting the shape. Clicking this icon will pop up a color menu. Here's the fun part: you can choose from preset color combinations, explore suggestions based on your design's color scheme, or even enter a hex code for precise coloring. Spend a moment experimenting and see what catches your eye. As you continue adjusting and experimenting with shapes and colors, remember that design is all about expressing creativity and having fun with the process. With these tools at your disposal, the possibilities are nearly endless. You're now well equipped to create custom shapes, and I hope this empowers you to bring your design ideas to life. Keep practicing and trying new things, and soon enough you'll be crafting stunning professional grade visuals with ease in Canva. Thanks for joining and happy designing.